The Path. On the first night, while sleeping in my warm, soft bed, I strayed upon a beautiful fountain bubbling up from a small mound atop a hill in the midday sun. I stood there gazing at the surge of rising, sparkling bubbles breaching the mound's rim, spilling its crystalline icing over the hilltop sand. Thinking of my friends, I turned and called to them as they sat resting in a hollow out of the sun. They stayed in the shade, not wanting to come. On the next night, while sleeping in my warm, soft bed, I found a second fountain just as beautiful as the first and again called to my friends. I could still see my friends squatting with their hats over their eyes and gave out a yell that echoed back off the canyon run. They stayed in the shade, not wanting to come. On the third night, while sleeping in my warm, soft bed, I scanned my own horizon, realizing what I had been shown. All must walk the path alone. I straightened my stance as loneliness cut to the bone, then walked a trail leading into the evening sun, never looking back to see if my friends had come.